Hey friends, we got a Mazda CX-70 that we're putting 20% ceramic tint the whole way around. Well, we're gonna actually do 5 on the front too. Let me show you how to take the sweep out on these because it's a little tricky. All right, so all you gotta do is on like that, and you gotta pull here on the front. If you can look down in here, there's just clips that pop out, all right? But the problem with this, you can't pop out this back because there's a clip down in here. If you want to look down in here, there's a clip down in here, and that thing actually slides up, so that thing doesn't really come out. So you don't want to pull on the door panel right there. So what you really want to do is just pop it back right here to loosen it up enough where you can just grab the sweep from the front and just pull it and slide it right out. And then I'm going to load it back in there, you know, just like that. Makes it super easy. But again, don't pull on the back because you can break that clip.